All right.
All right, maiden voyage. Hiya!
Oh, your first throw! Oh, you're kidding!
These work great.
Oh, you like it, huh?
Good job. Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me go down here.
Huh?
Just don't hit me.
No, no, no. Hiya!
Oh.
On the board. Oh, the first one went in. Good job, babe.
That was good. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I want something like this. That'll paint up nicely. Pretty rigid. Yeah. Yeah, that should work.
Cross first for your middle point?
I don't think it matters.
Okay, well that's what I did. So we'll just come across. Tell me. Doopy doo, buddy doo, doopy doo, buddy doo, doopy doo, doo, ba doo, biddy dee 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 dee, buddy da da dee dee dee.
Ta-da!
Got the blue tape.
A lot easier to see.
So, come about here.
Yeah, in from the edge, just, you know,
that?
yeah, like that, an inch. And cut your straight line into the black.
Boy, it's hard to do. I mean, you don't think it's hard to do. I don't like it. All right, now I'm supposed to. It's not getting all the way through because I wasn't right on. Hey, bravo, bravo.
No, it's got to be vertical, or I mean horizontal.
Horizontal, yeah.
So I split a 2x4 in half, and a 2x2. I'm gonna mount on here. Yeah, put it. If you put the handle going up, it's easier to.
And it's 1 inch.
That's set already. You can just draw the square along with the pencil against the end of the square. And
Here.
and if you just move the whole thing as a unit. Okay.
It's really good for somebody to see that someone who knows what they're doing versus someone who's doing it for the first time, how it looks. Huh.
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is not going to work. The middle.
Theoretically, our 6-inch cutout is at the center, so you want to center it on the 6-inch circle.
So like that.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much down?
1.5 inches.
Oh.
Thereabouts. Yeah, that's good.
And then split this again.
And then split that again.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
It's not flush yet. They stick up, it's okay?
No, we'll drive them a little more. Making good use of scrap material this way. And we're going to come in 3 inches on each side here. That one. All right. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to cut out that little section there in each one.
Not bad. Should I do inside the face of it?
Yeah, we want to try to get everything, you know, all the bare wood.
This is so fun.
So we're going to go 1 inch in on each end, because these are 22 inches. This is 24, so that'll center it. We'll just use our shim here to help align that and keep a little spacing. All right, and then I'm just thinking we put the hinge like another inch in on each side, so 2 inches off the edge on each side for the hinge. So the hinge go there and there.
Gotcha.
And I'm just going to press it back against that shim board sort of and draw my little holes, because we'll pre-drill. I'm getting the look of concentration.
And this is dry and lickety split. No, you didn't have any holidays in your white. I think that's it. I think I better
Good.
not mess with it anymore.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
All right, peel the tape.
I did it! I did it! Yay!
Yeah.
That's very exciting. Hey! Hey!
Look
I'm
at
so
that.
happy.
Nice.
Yeah. This is
What?
you see the little pencil lines still, like I didn't paint to the very nobody will see that. Well,
Nobody's gonna see that.
it'll be on the floor. Good.
That's right. That'll be down on the grass or the chips.
And then I see a couple holidays here that we'll go back and get once this dries.
Yeah.
Okay.